Exercise 8.1, sum number 5. Prove that the line segment joining the midpoints of two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side whose length is half of the length of the third side. So, what is given here? One triangle is given. Triangle. So, ABC, I take ABC is a triangle. The line segment joining the midpoints of the two sides. What are the two sides? AB is one side, midpoint. I take AC is another side, one midpoint. So I join these two sides. This is E and F. So E is the midpoint of AB and F is the midpoint of AC. So this triangle whose length is half of the length of the third side. Hold one triangle, this is equal to half of the AEF triangle. That is, we need to prove. So, ABC that equal to 1 by 2 something we need to prove. So, listen. Let ABC be a triangle and E and F be the midpoints of the E and F are the midpoint of the sides AB and AC. Let O be the origin of the reference. That is, always in all vectors are one starting point is there, that is origin. So in background we are having some origins. So for all I take small a vector, b vector, this is c vector, origin. Listen, midpoint OE, midpoint means position vector of E, that is OE means midpoint for what? x1 plus x2 by 2, like this only. Two sides by 2. Two sides. One side is B, other side is A. So, OA vector plus OB vector by 2. OA vector means A vector plus B vector by 2. Then, another one midpoint F. OF vector, OF vector. OF vector means OC vector plus OA vector by 2. OC vector means C vector plus A vector by 2. Right? We find the midpoints. Now, EF vector. This EF vector I take means OF vector minus OE vector. OF vector equal to what? C vector plus A vector by 2. C vector plus A vector by 2 minus OE vector equal to A vector plus B vector by 2. A vector plus B vector by 2. So, denominator will be same, but we have to take this negative sign for both the vectors. C vector plus A vector minus I take inside means minus A vector minus B vector by 2. Right? So, minus A vector plus A vector will be cancelled, means what we are getting? C vector minus B vector by 2. So C, this is small c vector. This small c vector I return OC vector minus OB vector by 2. because OA vector means A vector, OB vector means B vector. Or starting onwards, you write let OA vector equal to A vector, OB vector equal to B vector, OC vector equal to C vector, O, that's all. Right? Like this you written in the starting point. We are given let ABC be a triangle, E and F are the midpoints of this triangle. In that point you add this, right, and then OC vector minus OB vector by 2. This is I written BC vector 1 by 2 into BC vector, because you see in the reverse order BC vector equal to what? OC vector minus OB vector. So same thing, 1 by 2 BC vector is written. So we have taken EF vector. This vectors we are having means we are getting what? 1 by 2 BC vector, right? So EF vector equal to 1 by 2 BC vector. That is EF vector is parallel to BC vector. EF is parallel to BC vector. Parallel means both this is small triangle, this is big triangle. So this small triangle we take means that is one half of big triangle, that is we proved. Therefore EF vector equal to 1 by 2 BC vector, hence proved, right?